Hey you guys, what's up? So we're taking the Rose Latte palette by Nicka New York, and I'm just taking that shade and starting it all off on the brow bone area. Now we're taking that pretty caramel brown shade, and I'm just depositing the color towards the front of the eye and blending it back. Now we're taking that cream shade in the palette, and I'm just going to place this right on my brow bone using my fingertip. Now we're taking that beautiful chocolate brown, and I'm depositing the color towards the front of the eye again and blending it back in the crease. Gonna go in with the black and deepen everything up a bit. I'm depositing this color towards the front of the eye and the back of the eye, and then we're gonna drop it down to the lid as well in just a moment. Now we're going to take this shade right here. I don't even know how to describe it, but it is so beautiful. It's almost like a bluish silver, and I'm just placing that right on the lid next to the black. Going in with that beautiful pinkish red, I'm just taking this and placing that right on the lid next to that other shade. Now finishing off the lid, I'm taking that kind of metallic pinkish color and just placing that towards the front of the eye. Lining my eye with one of my favorite eyeliners by Persona Cosmetics. This is just such a buttery eyeliner, you guys. It's so good. Glides right on. And then we're just going to smoke out that lower lash line using all the same shades that we used before. Now I'm going to create some graphic liner. I have no clue what I'm doing, but it turned out to be kind of a 3 shape using Hank & Henry's Sangre, Madame, and Romantic Beauty's Pink Bright Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm applying some Beat Gang lashes. These are in the style Boss Babe. Now I'm applying some gems. I thought these would be a nice little touch because they matched that darkest liquid lipstick on the graphic liner. And that's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.